So what's going on today, you ask? What am I getting ready for? If you don't know, now you know. I have been a Yumi lash lifter and brow laminator since 2015, and I became a sub-distributor of the brand in, I can't even remember. It may have been last year or the year before. I cannot remember. Anyway, so they just launched Yumi 3.0. Which is their new lash lift system that's going to take half the time to do, meaning you can make double the money, which is amazing. And it's competing with the Korean lash lift that's become super popular over the last year. So anyway, I'm going to be in Richmond from 11 to 5 today, training on this new lash lift system. I've got 2 models I'm going to be working on. I'm going to document it all for you without giving things away because yes, I will be launching an online training course for you guys. So if you can't attend in-person training, you can learn the Yumi 3.0 system in the comfort of your own home or salon. Good morning, Chester boy. Do you want something? Did you want to play? Is that what you want? Do you want to play? Go get me your toy then. Go get me your toy. Way. Good boy. Is that your little stuffy? Is that your reindeer? Yeah? Woo! Go get it. Time to do my makeup. I'm using the Iris and Romeo Weekend Skin. This is a wonderful vitamin C and glow SPF 50 in here. Tinted moisturizer with a SPF. 2 products in one, twice as fast. And honestly, I really like to focus on just having good skin by using good skincare and all that jazz so that I don't need to put too much on my skin for cover up. Concealer. Makeup Forever Lift Concealer. Recently found this in my giant box of makeup that I have, which is usually my backup stuff from my kit. But yeah, if I have run out of something for myself, I just take it from there. And I actually really like this. I don't even know if they make this anymore, to be honest. Damp beauty blender to blend this all away. Beauty blenders are the best. I love a beauty blender. Oops, finger on screen. Ah! My travel mirror. Oh God, it recently smashed. 7 years bad luck. I know, you guys. I hope that is really just a myth and not true, because I could use some good luck actually. But yeah, I'm literally using you guys right now as a mirror. So thanks. Liquid blush by Beauty Cosmetics. You cannot get this one. This brand, I used to retail this in my salon and they literally vanished off the face of the planet. So I couldn't replenish any stock. I hope that they're okay. I had met the owners in person and they're really nice people, so I hope they're okay. But yeah, they literally just vanished off the face of the earth. So you can't get this. And it's super duper potent, so really light pressure. I like to use my beauty blender. Oh, got my finger over the lens again. Sorry, you guys. Some contour. This is just Cabernet from Youngblood. It's actually a blush, but it looks like contour color. So again, for some reason I had it in my box. So it's now mine. But yeah, puts a little bit of shape to my cheekbones, a little bit of color into my fair skin face, and switching brushes, something good for my nose here. Just like to have a little bit of color down here. I just ordered a new travel mirror on Amazon. Gotta do the mascara face. Even professionals make mistakes, man. I'm telling you. You just gotta know how to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna do the tiniest dot of color in my brows, but again, I just had my brows lifted, so they're looking pretty. No, I didn't have them lifted. I had the henna tint. I'm gonna use, oh my God, I've used this so much that it has nothing written on it. It's the Sappho brow gel and an angled brush. And I'm just gonna give these brows just a smidge more color. But I like nice and natural. Brush it through with the other end. See, just looks a bit more done. I'll do after I've brushed my teeth, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna go with either the Fit Glow Ceramide Hydra Balm, which I'll just show you on my hand. This is really nice when you apply it. It's cold. It's really cold. But yeah, it's just a little tint of color. So I'll either do that, literally just a little tint of color, or I'll do this one that my client bought for me. My client got me a little Lockdown gift set for Christmas, which I'm absolutely loving. So this is their lip balm, Cherry Blossom lip balm. I can't recall if I think it might have no, it doesn't have color. So that one's just like a clear lip balm, but it looks a bit like just a bit of a sheen on the lip. Now time for hair. So I think it's day 3 for my hair. Day 3, usually like half up, half down like this. Day 4, it's either like girly gotta wash her hair or ponytail. I use a little bit of the David Orchid Oil treatment. I love this serum, it's so nice. I'm just gonna use it just to get down some of these flyaways. It also just smells so good. It's kind of like, it smells like shea butter almost. Shea, I don't know how you pronounce it. That's how I pronounce it. So it's just gonna give me that intentional slick look. I'm using a wild boar brush to just really smooth this as much as I can. Leaves like no marks. And then the excess on my fingers here, I'm just gonna run through my ponytail. Maybe I'll give my ponytail a little bit of a back comb. I'm gonna use this John Frieda Frizz Ease hairspray, and I'm just gonna give this like a little bit of a back comb from root to end. Just for a bit of body in that ponytail. It looks like I made an effort. The only thing that's bugging me is this. I guess these are my bangs. I look like I made an effort. So now I'm tempted to... I just dropped the toothpaste in the toilet. Now I'm tempted to... Now I'm tempted to put eyeliner on. I think I'm going to put eyeliner on. 10:30 a.m. I just said goodbye to Brandon and Chester. I'm going to go grab my adorable little Mini Cooper and head to Richmond. I hate this time of year in Vancouver. It's just nothing but wet. There she is. My trusty little Mini Cooper. Off we go. I'm officially Yumi 3.0 trained. So the Yumi 3.0 lash lift it's to compete with the Korean lash lifts that are super popular right now. It is not a Korean lash lift though, and it is not the same in any way. It's like Yumi's version of the Korean lash lift, so it's a different technique. The Yumi 3.0 product itself is actually all the same, other than in step 1 there's one ingredient that's different, which is the active ingredient that breaks the bonds. And what it does is it's going to make them go softer faster. And with this new lifting system, it should be able to accommodate more, like any lashes, even if they're tiny little stubby ones, you can get them lifted. So yeah, super excited about that. I have a gigantic certificate to prove it. Yeah, it was really fun. You know what, I find education as an artist, as a beauty artist,
It's so important because there's always new trends, new techniques, new products coming out. So just to stay on top of all of that, it's really important. But also for your like creative and entrepreneurial spirit, you know, like at least once a year I take some sort of course to invest in myself, to make myself better. And I'm really excited. As a Yumi sub-distributor, I'm excited to introduce this to other lash and brow laminators as well, and to launch the online training for it as another, and in-person training for it as another part of my business. So that's what's going to be coming over the next week. I'm so excited. Tomorrow we're actually filming the online course. So I'm diving right into this. I'm going to launch this for you guys like within a week or two. I'm doing it. Now that the work stuff is all done, YouTube husband here, he's in training. Anyway, the work stuff is done for the day. It's time to pick up our child from grandma's, and we're stopping in for dinner at the same time. We are going to have celebratory drink tonight because we heard we're gonna get an offer on our apartment tomorrow. So TBC on what happens next. Clone a dream. Here we come. Did you just wake up from your nap? Yeah? Sleepy girl.
Could you tell Mommy?
I want brown eyebrows, please.
How about rainbow sparkle glitter with flowers?
Rainbow sparkle glitter with flowers? Eyebrows? Sure.